Welcome to Incredible Hidden Hub.
Chạy đi! Ôi! Chạy đi! Chạy! Đó có bảo không?
Landslides at construction sites are often caused by weak soil or prolonged heavy rain. Saving a few seconds is never worth risking your life. Don't try to cross unstable ground. We all know that when a storm hits, standing right next to a window is probably the worst place to witness the power of nature. This is exactly why flash floods are so dangerous. They can sweep away almost anything in their path within seconds.
Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. Allahu Akbar. بدل غفر هيجي شيرا غيا كايسي سدوي شيرا استغفر الله استغفر الله
Against the force of a flash flood, even a house couldn't stand its ground.
Oh my gosh! This is a bad idea to be on this boat!
Even out on the water, the earthquake was powerful enough for everyone on the boat to feel nature's force.
I just don't want my phone to get bad. Oh my god.
You're recording this, right?
Oh my god, this looks like something straight out of a disaster movie. If you notice darkening skies or unusually strong winds, seek shelter as quickly as possible. Safety always comes first. A peaceful dinner in Chaco until lightning decided to become the most unexpected guest of the night. Watch this moment closely. A tornado doesn't need much time to show its power. Just a few seconds can change everything. This is the famous tidal bore on China's Chantang River, where a massive wall of water surges down the river with incredible speed and power.
这里播音乐手。
Honestly, this vehicle's braking system clearly needed better inspection and maintenance. That was way too close. I bet it's an experience they'll never forget. When you head out to sea, every journey becomes a survival challenge. You never know when a sudden storm may appear. At first glance, it looks like a perfect natural wonder. But hidden within Mexico's Marianas Islands is another story, as past military activities helped shape this extraordinary beach. If you were conquering a peak over 18,000 FT high and encountered a moment like this, how calmly would you handle it? A sudden landslide turned all their possessions into memories within minutes.
Ore malaga.
Imagine driving when a tornado suddenly appears right in front of you. That's exactly what happened in Schwalmtal, Germany.
Alter.
They made it indoors just seconds before the tornado tore through, leaving their backyard completely devastated. Wow. Have you ever seen clouds sitting on the ground like this before? In fact, this is a flash flood at Lake Powell Glen Canyon. The fast-moving water carries massive amounts of sediment, turning the lake into its distinctive reddish-brown color. Fortunately, this landslide did not occur near any residential area. Oh my God, in just seconds, the force of a 7.9 magnitude earthquake turned an ordinary shop in Seguin into chaos. Floodwater doesn't just flow over roads. It can quietly destroy the ground beneath them and turn the surface into a sinkhole trap. Don't just watch, hit like and share your real feelings in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. He was chosen by God as an ambassador of peace. A rock opening giant waves and a breathtaking display. This is the Kayama Blowhole, one of Australia's unique natural wonders. This truck just got a little too powerful of a charge from nature. Nature created another masterpiece over Chaoyang, China. These clouds are truly a rare sight. In Henan, China, Mother Nature made her presence known with an unstoppable display of power. Our next stop is Zhuhu Bay, where a massive tornado unleashed its fury on July 6, 2026. Never drive into a truck's blind spot. The driver may not be able to see you. What a close call. One moment of inattention nearly led to tragedy, but fortunately, everyone was safe. Oh my god. A low-flying aircraft collided with power lines, turning the moment into a terrifying fireball. Luckily, the pilot escaped with his life. Lightning can strike anywhere and at any time. This shocking moment is a reminder to seek shelter immediately during thunderstorms. A risky move always comes with a price. This is the consequence of ignoring safety.
Вот это видос, блядь.
A tire blowout sent the car flying into a house like an action movie scene. This is a serious reminder to always check your tires. This could have ended differently. Thankfully, she was in the right place at the right time. Just seconds made the difference. The driver managed to stop in time and avoid a tragic collision with the child. This shocking scene is a reminder that animals can be unpredictable, even with people they know. Oh my God. A truck caught fire at a gas station, but the staff's immediate response prevented a much bigger disaster. In just seconds, a normal moment became a dangerous situation. This is a reminder that every action behind the wheel matters. This is a reminder that even a parked vehicle can become dangerous if it is not properly secured.
Oh my God!
Oh shit! Oh my god! Bram!
A dangerous situation unfolded in Miami when a speedboat made a sudden maneuver to avoid another vessel, but the attempt ended with a crash and overturn.
Oh shit! Mom did it. Oh shit!
Don't be fooled by the slow movement of this landslide. Even at a low speed, its force can sweep away everything in its path. When the Earth awakens, nothing can stand still. Mexico witnessed the terrifying power of a 7.4 magnitude earthquake.
De septiembre.
A bustling food street turned into a disaster zone after a tornado struck China on July 6th.
我操！我操！他妈的！
Nature has unleashed its full force. Days of heavy rainfall triggered devastating floods across Lai Chau, Vietnam.
Rồi bà má nhà vui không biết lên được chưa? Không biết lên nhà bà Hoa Minh không nhưng mà
This is why mountain roads can become dangerous without warning. A rock slide forced the closure of a highway in Jammu and Kashmir. Apparently, Mother Nature wasn't satisfied with the current level of drama. She decided to continue her own home renovation project.
3 minutes out.
อุ้ยสาวสาว
ลงก่อน